Welcome to my channel, Hemson. Breathe deep, feel free, find peace. The mountains rise where silence stays. Their peaks dissolve in silver haze. Clouds drift slow like dreams half-spoken, where time is still and space unbroken. The dawn unwraps her veil of light, soft golden threads through mist and white. Each whisper finds a peaceful tone, where earth and sky are left alone. A valley hums with light and grace. The winds embrace this sacred place. Through gentle pines the echoes weave a song the heart would never leave. If peace has touched your heart today, let your soul in silence stay. As this calms your mind, subscribe my channel Hemson and drift again with me.